Today you're joining me in the wonderful Matisse room at the Croydon Health and Wellbeing space in the Whitgift Centre in Croydon. I'm Saba Khan. I'm a local artist, co-vice chair to Mind in Croydon and also CEO to Arties. This wonderful room is one of two rooms that make up the Vaccine Easy Art Exhibition. The Vaccine Easy Art Exhibition was the result of 8 art workshops that took place at the Mind in Croydon hub this summer. We were a wonderful flurry of laughter, conversation and art as we explored 6 main themes in our workshops. We looked at powerful portraits, we looked at ceramic conversations, beautiful contemporary book covers. We made wonderful indoor gardens and swimming pools using Matisse's paper techniques. We also explored a workshop called Riding the COVID Wave, and that's what was really special about these workshops, because these workshops actually gave people the space to think about how they felt about the COVID-19 vaccine, how they felt about lockdown, the experiences they had, and how they felt coming out of lockdown. And that was really quite powerful in our workshops. We explored themes such as, powerful healthcare choices, powerful self-care choices, and people were able to decide whether the COVID vaccine was a powerful choice for them. Our exhibition is open for 2 weeks. It closes on the 23rd of October, which is a Sunday. We're open every single day from 10 a.m. to 4:45. We've had an amazing time putting this exhibition together. We would love you to enjoy the exhibition too. Please do come and see the exhibition.